Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So I have a fun project I want to share with you today. So I am going to be using this quill foil, and this is from We Are Memory Keepers. I got this at Michael's some time ago, but the thing is, I've noticed recently that it is on sale. And a lot. And I think because Cricut now has their new foiling tool, so that's probably why. And I was thinking, oh, I have a lot of this foil. So to be honest, I have the little quill and I never used it. I think I'm going to put it in one of my giveaway boxes. But I was thinking to myself, like, if somebody wanted to go and use the Cricut foil tool and then they had this foil, like, what am I going to do with all this foil, right? So thinking about the fact that it's heat activated, I had been trying different things, and this is really cute and I want to share it with you. But I'm going to show you one. Now, mind you, I was playing with this, so this is kind of a mess in here because I was playing around, but I want to show you that this book has these rigid marks on it, and because they are lifted, and this foil works by heat, look how well that's on. I just put foil on it and ironed over it and then peeled up. And now I did this is probably like a month, maybe even longer than that old, that I was playing with it. So, so there's lots of different things that you can do, but anything that's lifted like this, if you want to foil it, you could just put the foil on it and heat it. So, and this foil is actually a lot cheaper than doing, the iron-on foil, right? Because that's kind of expensive. So now this is just regular heat transfer vinyl, so regular iron-on vinyl. And this is going to be for my niece. It's her 16th birthday. I'm going to put one of her presents in here. So I'm just going to iron this down normal. And now you can do this with any heat activated foil this will work with. I haven't bought the Cricut foil tool yet, only because I've got so much other stuff that I haven't even had a chance to get to and try and use that I want to use. And I felt like if I went out and bought that, I would not do the other stuff that I want to. So I was just waiting. But I don't think, and correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think that the Cricut one is heat activated. So this foil is heat activated, and this is a really good idea for it. Now, make sure that you only got one sheet because these are really thin, and a lot of times I'll pick this up and think that I only have one, and I have a lot. All right, so put that down, put this over it, and you really only want about 5 seconds of heat on this. All right, so I'm just gonna let it cool down for a second. All right, so now I'm gonna just lift this up. Now, because this is, kind of patterned, and this bag, I should have put something in between the bag. I'll have to redo it. Now, because this is pattern, I did, sort of get some in the pattern, which for this, it's fine. Now, if I you know, were doing this on like a shirt or something like that, that, you know, didn't have this texture and pattern to it, then I wouldn't have it in there. But isn't that a really, really cute idea? And it's a nice way to use your foil. It's a nice way to get like a foil image. You know, something cute you can do for your bag. So I use these bags when I give out keychains and stuff. So I think it's really cute. I would suggest putting something in between though, because these bags a lot of times will stick together if you iron on, when you iron on them. But yeah, so, you know, really cute idea. I hope that it's something that, you know, you find helpful. I think it's a fun idea, so I thought I would share. All right, listen, I hope you guys like it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And as always, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you later, friends. Bye.